Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by prepping. Detangle and section so the braid moves smoothly. Once done, gather the braid tail and secure its end with a small elastic. Leave a 1-2-inch tail beyond the elastic so you can wrap. Next, fold a 12-18-inch piece of cotton thread in half, making a loop. Place that loop under the braid just above the elastic. This anchors the thread. Make sure it's snug but not cutting into the hair. Feel for slight tension only. You'll now create the curl effect by wrapping. First, pull the braid end through the loop to create a secure hitch, then take both free thread ends and wrap upward toward the root. Use even, close turns, about 1/8 to 1/4 inch apart, so the curl pattern forms uniformly. Maintain moderate tension. Too loose gives chunky curls, too tight risks breakage. Keep wrapping until you reach the root. Then tie a small double knot and trim the thread. To finish, set the curls. Briefly dip the wrapped braids in warm water or use steam for a firmer set. Allow them to dry completely. Once dry, you'll gently undo the thread and unroll each braid. Use your fingers to separate and fluff the curls, avoiding combs that cause frizz. If a section looks loose or frizzy, rewrap that small area and reset briefly. If tension caused discomfort, loosen future wrap slightly. Comfort indicates safe tension, so you maintain hair health while
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.